Hello and welcome to my video. My name is Kelly Hicks and I've been filming Forest River Park models today. I'm going to show you another one of my favorite trailers. This is the 2010 Quailridge 39Dlb2. Over the course of 11 years, this has been our best-selling trailer. I put a metal roof on this one. That gives it a 40-year metal roof. I'll tell you about some of the fine features and then we'll go on inside. All the windows are thermopane, the doors are thermopane. There's a metal underbelly. This one's antique white with white trim, green shutters, and a green metal roof. Very nice looking trailer. Let's go on inside. I'll tell you about some of the fine features of this trailer. I put plank wood linoleum on the main floor. That seems to be a popular option these days. Nobody wants carpet in their dining room or kitchen. Everything in them stays in them. Here's the guest room. No weight limit on them beds, and they are full-size queen beds. Yeah, they might be 58-inch. You've got a linen closet here. Guest closet, whatever you want to call it. 56,000 BTU furnace. Medicine cabinet. Sink, vanity. Porcelain house type stool. One-piece fiberglass tub surround. And an exhaust fan. You've got an auto-ignite stove, built-in microwave and range hood, 18 cubic foot fridge, high-rise faucet with sprayer, 20-gallon electric hot water heater, sleeper sofa, storage under the chairs. These are all wired for stereo and surround sound. Climb the ladder to get up to the loft. Could sleep 3 adults easily in here. It sleeps 8 adults on the main floor. If you figure 2 in the master bedroom. This is a queen. There's 2 double beds in the bunk room. So that's 4 adults in the bunk room and 2 on the queen sleeper sofa. Yes sirree. This has been a great floor plan for us. You can sleep 8 adults on the main floor and about 3 more in the loft. Safe to say this trailer sleeps 11. Track lighting in the kitchen. MSRP on this trailer is $41,906. Our price is $38,840. That is 120 payments of just $401.89 or 180 payments of $331.06. That supposes you have approved credit and 20% down. We do allow trade-ins. Sometimes we can get people financed with 10% down. Just depends on the market conditions. What the banks are doing. We'd love to sell you a park model. Why don't you come on over and see us? Thanks for viewing my video. My arm's getting tired of holding the video camera, so I think I'll quit for the day. These trailers are ready to camp in. Just hook water, sewer, and electric to them, propane gas, and you're ready to go. Give Kelly a call at 815-849-9089. Thank you.